In this video, I'm going to show you how to tap into a multi-billion-dollar business by making simple videos here on YouTube and show you how to use AI to assist you in this process. And you don't have to show your face, and you just need a few simple tools that you might already have. Now, before we jump in and I show you step by step exactly how to do this, I want to address the fact that here on YouTube, if you were to look up faceless YouTube channel with AI, the big concept or the main thing you'll see from all these videos that I've watched, and I'm sure you probably watched too, is that you use a piece of software to generate the videos, and you pick something to create your faceless channel, something like motivational videos or videos that entertain. I want to show you a different way, and I'm going to give you my proven strategy, which is the top strategy here inside of my 9-step roadmap, or my proven strategy, or the guide inside of my proven strategy, which is 9 simple steps based upon getting traffic to an offer and adding people to an email list, or the top strategy, which is proven, and it starts with picking a topic, and I'm going to show you the topic that you can actually use. I'm going to pick one here, and I'm going to show you step by step how to start or how to pick the tools that you need and understand the technology and the time required to get to the point where you're generating traffic inside of the top strategy, which is the most important thing, traffic to your offer, and creating consistent content, as you see here in this roadmap, is how you do that. Now, we're going to start with the topic. And this is inside of a members area where I am actually working, or I'm going to be working on May 20th. This is May 8th, 2024 when I'm shooting this video. But on May 20th of 2024, there's a link in the description. I'm going to be working with 10 folks, and we're going to be working through this process together. It's going to be a live workshop where we're going to get together and we're going to talk about creating simple videos. And I'm going to show people how to use AI to generate a lot of the content that they're going to create in the video. So here, inside the members area, there's a product over on AppSumo called Keyword Gap, and I'm using this as an example. You can see that I did this one 29 April 2024. This is when I was doing the research for this product called Keyword Gap. It is on AppSumo. There's also information that we could use over at Product Hunt, but we're going to focus on AppSumo, and then we're going to use the insights from the Keyword Gap tool over on AppSumo to create 3 videos. We're going to create a review video, and in this case, inside of my training, when I'm working and doing the workshop with the other folks, I'm going to post my video here so they can literally just copy what I've done, look at the way that I structured the video and the process that I go through. But the idea here is, and you could do this too, you don't even need to join me, but if you want to join me, there's a link in the description. You can create a title. That's a simple title. Keyword Gap Review, transform your SEO game with AI, because that's what Keyword Gap does. It is a keyword tool. More keywords or additional keywords provided for you. Keyword Gap Review, SEO Tool Review, Best AI SEO Tool, Improve SEO with Keyword Gap, AppSumo SEO Tools, and a description about what the video is going to be. Then we move into the second type of video, which is the comparison video, and then a simple how-to video as the third video. You go back and you look at where we are here. We are looking at creating consistent content. So if your focus here is on creating consistent content, this takes care of the traffic, and the offer portion of this proven strategy is taken care of by finding the product over on AppSumo and becoming an affiliate. And they lay out all this information for you, but you can make it even simpler by using AI to read this page and create the content, again, that we're going to use to create this consistent content. So we go back and we're focused here on creating consistent content. Foremost, or utmost and foremost, traffic is the key. So we're going to get traffic over at AppSumo, and you go over to AppSumo and you look, and they have all of these products. All of these products are ready and waiting for you to promote, for you to create simple videos. Those 3 videos that I just showed you, the only 3 videos you need to create about each one of these products. And you can see that they have a last call. So these products, or these sales on these products over at AppSumo, are going to end. So you can look at the ending soon. You have a fresh select. You have what's hot. And then, of course, it keeps track of what you've viewed currently, and also customer favorites. So you can follow up and do some more evergreen type videos. And we'll talk about that more in the workshop. But ultimately, what you're doing here is, and let me clear off this map, is we're generating traffic over to an offer, and we're adding people to an email list. So ultimately, inside of the 9-step roadmap, inside of the proven strategy, the ultimate goal is to use your faceless videos assisted by AI to create the content to build an email list and follow up with them. So a complete business in a box in this strategy. So I go back to AppSumo and we pick a product, and I'm going to pick Neuron Writer. Again, Neuron Writer is going to give you all the details, all the information. They even have a little video here for you to take and get great ideas, but all the information about the product for you to create a review, for you to create a simple how-to video and a comparison video to the other products that this product compares to is all right here. Here on this page, also, if you scroll down towards the bottom, let me see, there is information here where you can look, and this is very important, questions and reviews. These are questions that people are asking. These are reviews that people have left that have bought the product. Real quick, check this out, 971 questions, 728 reviews. Which means if you were to open the questions page and you were to simply to select all and to copy that into your buffer, then head over to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will take all that information and give you questions that you can then answer, questions that have been asked by all those people over there on the AppSumo page. And here you can see I had it generate me 5 questions, 5 simple questions that people are looking for the answers for. Now you could make this 10 questions, you can make this 20 questions, you could make this the most asked questions. But if you scroll back up to the top here with me, and you can see a lot of information here, if you remember, I copied all that from the page. Then I simply put in a prompt, give me 5 questions and answers from the below about the product. This below information is simply just a paste of the information that I copied, and ChatGPT spits out the questions. This is how you use AI. You use AI to take information that is readily available, information that is out there on products that you're going to create the videos about, and you have it correlate and you have it compress the time for you to figure out what people are asking, what people want to know. You take that and it generates the questions. You answer these questions in your videos because these are the questions that real people ask about this product over on AppSumo. Again, back to AppSumo, Neuron Writer ratings and reviews. AI is going to create this for you. It's going to summarize all this information. Again, highlight this and then simply click copy. Again, go back to ChatGPT using this simple prompt or this simple input of using the reviews from the review page on AppSumo for Neuron Writer. Please give me a summary and main points made by the reviews posted. Again, all of that information was simply just copied and pasted here into ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT gives you the exact information you need to put into your videos. So the reviews on AppSumo for Neuron Writer are overwhelmingly positive with an average rating of 4.93 or 4.93 stars. Did I say that right? 4.93 stars. Here are the main points made by the users. The main points that you need to cover in your review, in your comparison video, in a simple how-to video. The things people are saying, what they like, what they don't like, the 5 questions that people were asking that they wanted the answers to, all go in your faceless video. And again, all that information over on AppSumo, Neuron Writer ratings and reviews. And they do this for every product. Neuron Writer questions, people are asking questions that they want answers to, and you can simply answer them based upon the questions and the answers that were given by the founder or for the folks that work over at AppSumo. And AppSumo lists all of these products for you to review. It organizes them, it categorizes them, it puts them in a manner or a fashion where you could say, what makes the most sense for me to review today? Plus exclusive, cutting edge tech, rising stars, AppSumo originals, freebies. You could even make videos and give these away and use this as part of the process to build your list. And again, all that is covered in my top strategy, traffic offer people, getting traffic to offers over at AppSumo, adding people to an email list. And it all starts down here by picking a topic, which I already showed you. Tools, tech, and time. You need 2 tools. You need something to record your screen so you can show your screen in a video, and you need a good microphone. That's it. Done, dusted. You're ready to go. Time. You need a little bit of time. Technology. You need to understand how to open and create a YouTube channel. I'm going to show you all how to do that inside of the workshop when I'm working with everyone. May 20th, link in the description. We're going to be creating consistent content, and then we're going to cover getting traffic over to those offers. Again, utilizing 3 simple types of videos. Because like I said, I gave you everything in this video. You actually can start your channel right now today. In the comments, you can ask any question you want and I will answer it. I'll even go so far as to tell you that I will make you another video answering your question here on the YouTube channel. But ultimately, the goal is the best way, or for me, I think your ultimate goal is, and the best way that you can learn is alongside me and the others that are going to be working with me in this workshop starting on May 20th to build a review channel or to build a faceless channel with AI assisting us to review these products and utilize the top strategy, get traffic over to our affiliate offers, and ultimately add people to an email list. It's that simple. I showed you everything in the video, but I'd love for you to join me and the other folks starting on May 20th. Link in the description. Check it out. Hopefully it's for you. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.